Hey, what's up YouTube? So I am here with a new student that is going to be a part of this driving lesson journey series. Introduce yourself. What's your name?
Sherigay.
Sherigay. Okay, so this is my friend, new student Sherigay from Jamaica. Make a left. So she'll be the latest person. Today is our first day. We're gonna
don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me.
Don't judge you. They're gonna judge you, but you don't care. You want them to see where you start, so they can see how well you pick up and how you're gonna end.
Right.
So yeah, this is her first day. So again, I'm gonna ask you guys to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're gonna record about 25 minutes of her first lesson so you can see what she's doing now, and you can follow her progress as we take her through this journey. Alright, so we're gonna go up here. We're gonna make a left turn. You see where that car just came from? Alright, so slow down, signal left. Alright, so these cars here, they should wait for you. Slow down and go this way. Go ahead and straighten up. Just let it go. I know. Alright, this the stop sign that we come to, we're gonna make a left. But listen, like you said, nothing happens before the time, right? So now is the right time, so you're gonna be fine. Alright, go ahead, stop at the stop sign and then go ahead and make a left turn. Stop completely, and you're actually going to the right. It said left.
Oh,
yeah, exactly. Go ahead. Turn left, go ahead. Yeah, you're not even stopping at the stop sign and then you're going right. Alright, so we're gonna make a right turn at this stop sign. So signal right, which is up.
I'm too excited.
You're too excited?
Yeah, I'm trying to get up. I'm moving too fast, aren't I?
Yeah, stop here completely. 1, 2, 3, look to the left, make sure there's no cars coming. And go ahead and make your right turn. So you go out to about here and then let it go, let go now. But it's because you're going slow, it's slow to straighten up, right? But you just have to time it properly to let it go. I know this lady that lives here, I haven't seen her in years. Alright, go around the corner. So you say you've been here for how long now? 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah. So you're going to school or not?
Not yet. I stopped May.
What are you going to study? RN? You're trying to be an RN? Cool. Can never go wrong with that. There's always work.
That's right, always work.
Yeah, right now, you know the RNs, a lot of the RNs that are traveling out of state to do the COVID work.
That's true.
You know they're making humongous sums of money. Yeah, I have some numbers that I'm hearing. I'm not even trying to repeat the numbers because I don't even know if the numbers are true. They sound so
Fake.
crazy. Yeah, they sound like, the numbers sound like way more than I would expect. But yeah, the nursing thing is always good. There's always jobs. Anywhere you go, you'll be able to find jobs.
That's right.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna make a right turn up here. So you see, she is fairly new at this. She went with some other school before. She won't tell me who the guy is, but he didn't do a good job. So I'm gonna make sure she gets what she needs.
Pass this test.
Now you'll pass the test. You see, all of my students pass the test.
Of course. That's why I called you.
Yeah.
I'm find the right person.
Okay, stop. You know how this works. The first, you're going straight across. So whoever gets here first goes first, right? Alright, so go ahead. Yeah, in the series, 2 of the ladies already passed their driving test, Rochelle and Sandra. But those videos haven't dropped yet, so their videos are scheduled to drop in the future. Ayana have her second video dropped this morning. So go ahead and make a left. And Latoya's, I have Latoya's third video to edit. I'm gonna edit that tonight. I'm gonna edit this video, and then I'm gonna post it. So your first video is gonna drop in like 2 weeks. Actually, my things are scheduled far ahead.
Oh, okay.
So by the time we're done with the first 3, then the first one will drop, and they'll drop every week after that until it's time for you to do your driving test. Okay, so we're gonna make a left turn here. This cool dude is doing a lot.
Exactly.
Like what the hell?
He doesn't know what he's doing.
Yeah, you see, he just make a turn and drive on the people's grass and everything.
He don't care. He don't care.
Yeah, he don't care at all. Alright. So you have lots of family here or not? No family?
I have family, but that's another story for another day.
Okay, I guess that means she's not cool with her family, right? Yeah, that's what that usually means. If you don't want to talk about them. Man, it's a nice trailer. My son's looking for a trailer. Let me show you a house that I used to own. I used to own this house right here. I didn't give it away, I sold it. It said give it away. I sold it. But I've lived in this neighborhood that I'm at now for the past 25 years. Okay, stop completely. And then go straight.
See that?
Yeah. See what? Because listen, your foot is not heavy. I am like, we have this conversation. You probably heard me with other students. There's no such thing as that my foot is heavy. Your foot, you're just not controlling the pressure yet. As soon as you learn how to control the pressure, that heavy foot thing will just go away. So it's just practice. Practice makes perfect. You'll hear me say that 100 times. Practice, 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 and then everything becomes kind of routine. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to make the next left turn coming up. And again, we're in the neighborhood. The first day, I always try to do the neighborhood to kind of get you used to turning and, you know, controlling the car, getting used to the car, basically. You see like how you're on the left side coming around, you want to try to be more in your right lane as you go around the corner. You know, mango season style, I can't wait. Love mango, you know?
I just watch the mango tree on over here.
For real. Alright, make a right turn. Alright. Up for right, yeah. You say C. Every time you don't know something, you say C. That was your fault to choose that driving school to begin with. You have options.
I know, but shit.
My thing is very prominent. If you search for driving school, my school is gonna come up before almost any other school. So why did you choose another school?
Oh, let me tell you, that was my boyfriend's problem.
Oh, that was your boyfriend that led you that way. Okay.
Yeah, he the one chose. I told him, don't do it.
But why did you have to go with that? You didn't have to go.
I told him, don't do it.
Did he pay for it?
Yeah, he's the one paid for it. I told him, don't do it.
Oh, okay.
I said, babe, don't do it. He don't listen. That's his problem.
Okay, so he's Haitian?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And his own money went to the bed. I pray for him. I said, it's your fault, not mine.
Okay, well, I mean, he's Haitian, so he picked the Haitian.
Well, I told him Haitian.
He picked the Haitian person because he is Haitian.
Right, exactly.
But that was not his fault. That's your fault.
No,
you're supposed to pick somebody to teach you how to drive, not him.
I told him, let me choose. But he, no, that's not. So I said, okay, do what you want to do. You don't want to listen, that's your problem. And see, he said, I'm sorry, baby. It's my fault. I said, yeah, it's your fault. Now we got to pay someone else. And you better.
Is he paying again, or are you paying this time?
No, he's the one paying.
Oh, okay. Well, that's all good.
That's what I said. If I was paying, forget it.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, but it's amazing how many people are out there that is doing, they're being paid to do a job, is doing a terrible job at it. I don't understand what's the point of being in business if you're not going to be trying to put your best foot forward.
But the first place, how did he get it?
How did he get what? The license?
His license, yes.
Well, how do you know he have a license?
Probably not.
Exactly, because not because someone is teaching you to drive, doesn't mean they have a license. Not because they pull up in a car that have a sign on it doesn't mean they have an actual license. I know a few, honestly, I know a few people that are out there teaching people to drive that don't have a license to be an actual school. So they're not all professional schools, not because they have, you know. He's a what?
Pastor.
He's a pastor.
That's what he said.
Okay, I think I know who you're talking about now that you say that.
Claim he's pastor.
Yeah, that don't mean a thing.
I told him, be careful. Stop doing people dirty.
I've heard so many stories of pastors and doing wrong. So being a pastor does not mean anything at all as it relates to whether or not you're a good person.
Turn.
Yeah, you can turn here. So signal right. And then you go up and turn.
See?
Yeah, you did. And then let go. See? Yeah.
I'm getting the hang of it. Look at that.
Wow, the mango tree them loaded. Damn.
You know which one my favorite too?
What? Julie?
No.
East Indian?
Oh yeah.
That's everybody's favorite.
My daddy, he used to have a farm.
Yeah.
And he had Gold Street.
Make a left here. Alright, you see the house that I just showed you that I used to own? I planted a Juliet tree back there. And when I bought it, there was an East Indian tree back there. Those are two of the best mangoes I've ever had. And I sold the house and had to leave them. Because they were too big to move to the next house. So the next house is in the same neighborhood, but I don't have my Julie and my East Indian. Alright, go ahead and make a right. But yeah, mango season. Alright, press the gas gently. See, you're starting to learn how to control the car now. The gas and everything. Let me say, practice make perfect, right? Alright, so we're going to make a right turn here. Signal. Right. Up for right.
See? I don't know why I like left.
Yeah, you would be surprised how many people. Alright, go ahead, go up some more so you can actually see. Alright, go ahead. Press the gas gently. And straighten up. I didn't get a chance to finish the video, it just ended abruptly as you see. The battery went dead, so that's what happened. So I'm just coming back to officially end the video. So you see Sherry Gay, even though she has driven a little bit with someone else, she's still fairly new. So just follow us on this journey to her driver's license. This is her first episode. She's gonna do 5 episodes like all of the other girls. And then we'll see ultimately if she gets her driver's license. So far, 2 of the girls have actually finished and got their license. Rochelle and Sandra both have their license. By the time you see this, I hope you have watched all 5 of their episodes. But yeah, thank you for watching. Share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Check back often because I am intending to do as much and as helpful of content as possible. I'm trying to be as helpful as possible, I should say, with the content that I create. So please help me by supporting the channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.